Let's fix it. Start Word in safe mode. For this, search for run and type the following text: WINWORD space slash safe. Type it correctly and click enter. If Word open, a problem is like an add-on. So go to File and click Option. The bottom side you have seen the option setting. Click it and click Add-in setting. In Manage option you have seen Com Add-in. Click Go. This pop-up will appear. In this, you need to uncheck all add-in. Uncheck all add-ins and click OK. Once complete, after close it and come to next step, repair Microsoft Office. For this, click Settings, click App Setting, click Installed App, scroll down and search for Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. Search it and click the three dot icon in the right hand side. We have seen the three dot icon in right hand side. Click it and click Modify and click Quick Repair and click Repair. Click it and it start repairing. Wait for a couple of seconds to repair it completely. After that, come to next step. Search for CMD, click Run as Administrative, and type the following text: SFC space slash scan now. Type it correctly and wait for a couple of seconds. The process will take some time, so you need to wait for a couple of seconds to complete 100%. Is nothing but it's verifying your files. If there is any issue, it will rectify it and notify you. If there is no issue, also it will notify you. You can see Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrated violation. Once complete, after you need to go to next step, run DISM repair. Type the following text and wait for a couple of seconds. DISM space online space cleanup image space restore health. Type it correctly and come to next step. Perform a clean boot. For this, open up run and type the following text: msconfig and click OK. The system configuration is open. In this, you need to click services, enable hide all Microsoft services and disable. After that, you need to restart your device.